Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lena. So a lot of clothes trend change, there's like a summer trend and then there's this winter collection and all of that. So makeup trends also change, and this is the 2021 makeup trend which is going on right now. Earlier in 2016, 2017, we used to do that typical number 3 wala contour. So this is slightly different from that. We're just gonna pull everything up, okay? It's a really cool trend and I think it's a really good one, so we should try it and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's start. So guys, in 2021 everything is about dewy skin, fresh skin, okay? So we don't want anything which is like too matte. So for that it's really important that you moisturize your skin really well. Okay, I've moisturized my skin, I've prepped my skin. Now I'm going to use a primer, and for that I'll be using this Wet n Wild primer. So this is the dewy illuminating primer. Okay, so this will give you that dewy finish which I really like because I have dry skin. So I'm just going to take this primer, apply it all over my face. Oh, it's almost going to end. I need to order myself another one. So this will give you that nice dewy effect. So just apply it on your face. So I'm done applying my primer. You can already see that little bit of dewy glow on my skin. So next is of course my foundation, and the foundation that I'll be using today is by Bobbi Brown. So again, this trend is all about like a nice natural glowing face. So I don't want something which is too heavy on my skin. So this is a really nice foundation for like everyday purpose, or if you want something light, we can build it up as well. So this is the Bobbi Brown Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation. It also has SPF 15. So I'm going to tell you my shade, okay? It's Golden Natural 4.75. So I'm just going to take a little bit of foundation. Here's my foundation. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. So I'm not using my brush, I'm using my beauty blender today. I think it gives a really nice natural finish. So I'm done with applying my foundation. I will be using my concealer now, and the concealer I'll be using is by Huda Beauty. And this shade is Granola 18N. This is my shade. So this is a bit different than what you used to do earlier. I'm going to show you how to apply your concealer. So I'm going to be taking a brush, then I take a little bit of concealer. Okay, so earlier we used to do the triangle thing. This time we're not going to do that. So you apply a little bit of concealer here, okay, in the corners, and then here. Over ऐसे. So you want everything like that, okay? Yeah, so this is what you want. Blend. So moving on to my eyeshadow. The eyeshadow that I'll be using today is again by Huda Beauty, and I'll apply something. I'll go with this top. So something like a sandalwood or a cocoa. This is sandalwood and this is cocoa. Maybe I'll mix it a bit and then apply it. So I take a little bit of sandalwood, a little bit of cocoa, and apply it. So I'm going to take my card. Can you see that? So I'm going to just blend it properly. I'm going to do the same thing here. So once that's done, I'm going to take a little bit of this glittery eyeshadow and just place it here. Looks much better, right? We're going to do some nice eyeliner, and the eyeliner that I'll be using today is by Wet n Wild. So earlier we used to start from the inner corners, go to the out. We're not going to do that. So this is going to be like a half eyeliner look, just from here, from the center, and then we go up. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So from here, Can you see that? So I'm done with both my eyes. I'm going to take my sponge, take a little bit of foundation and go like this. Just to clean off to give that lift. That's it. So the mascara that I'll be using today is by Benefit, and we are also going to do lashes today. So first you apply your mascara and then you apply your falsies. So I'm just going to take my falsies, cut it because we need it only for this part. So I'm going to take my eyelash glue now. So now I'm just going to place it here, only on the outer corners. Now time for my brows, and then I'm going to be using this Benefit brow gel. So I'm just going to brush my brows. So you really need like a nice bushy brow kind of a thing. So now I'm going to take my concealer brush and just give that lift. That. Now time to contour. So I'll be using this NARS palette. So I'll be using this bronzer to contour. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Take a brush, take your bronzer. So earlier we used to contour this part, right? But this time, this is what we're going to contour here. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Now time to apply some blush. So I'll be using this same palette, and this is the blush that I'll be using. I'm going to use the same brush. So we're not going to apply blush here, only this side. I'm going to take a small brush and contour my nose a little. Now it's time to set all of this makeup. For that I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. So again, this is how I'm going to set my makeup here, like this. Last step is my lipstick, and this lipstick is from MINISO and it's called the Velvet Matte Lipstick. Shade, it's Berry Nude. It's a really nice color. So guys, this is my complete look. I hope you guys liked it, and do try it. This is the 2021 makeup trend. It's really cool, and it just lifts your face and gives you a really nice, young feel. So do try this. Let me know in the comment section below, and if you have any more questions, anything you need to ask me first, put it down in the comment section below. And please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.